Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Explore Goa. Today I am going to take you to a short drive of 2 km from Mapusa to Saibaba Temple at Canca. This route is just 2 km from Mapusa and is surrounded by greenery and quiet roads. Many devotees and visitors come here for prayers and seek blessings. As we are going to approach the temple, you will notice a quiet and calm village atmosphere. Saibaba Temple in Canca is a very famous spiritual spot for people, and many visitors come here to seek blessings and peace. The temple hosts regular prayers and special events, especially on Thursdays. Saibaba Temple is perfectly placed on this very special place from where we can see and view Mapusa town and also the famous Bodgeshwar temple. If you are in Mapusa, don't forget to visit this most beautiful place. This place is worth visiting for some peaceful moments. Don't forget to like and share these videos. As we see the most beautiful drive and the road around, we approach the Saibaba temple. If you are in Mapusa, do visit this place. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel Explore Goa.